Alright, welcome to the video guys. So before installing MongoDB Compass, let's find out what's your installed Ubuntu architecture. So you can go with uname-m here and then you can get the your Ubuntu architecture. So this is useful when you select the drop down list on this website that I'm going to show you here. So uh, this is the MongoDB downloads page to the Compass, and here you can have all the other downloads available as well. So we'll go with MongoDB Compass here. I will share this URL on the description, and here you can select your Ubuntu architecture here. So it's 64-bit, and then you can download this Debian package by clicking download. Once you download the package, you can install it using sudo dpkg-i, and then you can go with the downloaded Debian folder here. So I'm at the downloads folder now, and then you can press enter, and yeah, and sometimes it may pop up to enter the system password. Then you can add your password in that prompt. Once it successfully installs, either you can go with MongoDB Compass command on the terminal, or you can search for MongoDB Compass on your applications in your Ubuntu machine. Press enter and this will run your MongoDB Compass.